Hi guys, this is Imthishan from Motoring Middle East taking you on a quick walk around of the new Cadillac ATS Coupe. As the name suggests, it's a two-door version of the ATS Saloon. And unlike most cars of this nature, the conversion is executed really well. It's really clean. Look at that tail. It's nicely integrated. The rump doesn't look out of place. This is a smart, handsome car for the young executive who's looking for something with a little bit more style than a fuddy-duddy four-seater. Luckily for him, the CTS is a really good-looking car to start with. It's a great platform. Let's have a quick look at the boot, just in case you're wondering if you can go to the airport in it. Tons of room for all your luggage and golf clubs and accessories and cricket pots and whatever else you want. Engine options, you've got a 3.6 litre V6, 321 horsepower, and it comes with a 6-speed auto. We don't get the engines you get other markets. They get a 2-litre turbo and a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder, one of which is available with a manual. They may come here depending on demand, but for right now it's only the 3.6. Prices start at 194,000 dirhams. And this coupe also gets two new colors. This is the dark Adriatic blue, and there is a white as well, which is, I guess, more white. The interior is all new and all interesting. No, it's not exactly the same as the CTS. Sorry, the ATS. My correction, I keep getting confused. The ATS, which is a quite nice place to be. You've got the Q system. Let me just start it up. All the standard instruments. I do like this Cadillac double barrel display, which allows you to fiddle through so many options. This car has everything. It's adaptive cruise control, and of course it has new options, which is magnetic ride control. So if I can go back up here, you will see Tour, Sport, Snow, Ice. If you don't get snow, Tour is soft around town. Sport is for firm track driving, which this car isn't. This car's real photo. It's actually quite good on the road. It's quite comfortable. It's very pointy and direct. This clearly there's more chassis than engine. It can easily take whatever's going to be in the next V variant of this car, and you know it's going to be a twin turbo V6 and it's going to be really fast. But for now, it's a very nice, fun, sporty car. I mean, if you can see the engine or not. It's got a nice snarl to it around town. It'll drift on command if you turn traction control off. It'll just go sideways everywhere. It's got more than enough juice. Of course, you always want more, which is why you have the V. Overall, I liked it. I think it's a really good car for the segment. I think people are going to enjoy it. And at a price of 194, it undercuts all the German competitors, including the A5, the C-Class Coupe, and the 4 Series. So definitely one to watch. Well done, Cadillac. Look for the full review on motoringme.com. Follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/motoringmiddleeast. Thanks for watching.